Hello friend, I am Vijay. Welcome to subscribe and watch my tutorial. In today's tutorial I will go to make a wearing which one shown on my screen. Let's start from new drawing. First on your ortho, because I need to draw only parallel and perpendicular line. First I draw a base for revolve tool. In right side draw at line, downward 2 press enter, left side 6 press enter, downward 0.5 press enter, left side 2 press enter and connected the end point, press enter. Now again go to polyline command, select this point, downward 0.5 press enter, left side 8 right side press enter, downward 2 press enter, left side 8 press enter, upward 2 press enter. Now enter, again select polyline, right side 8 press enter, downward 1.5 press enter, left side 8 press enter, upward 1.5 press enter. Now go to trim command to trim extra line which not required. Now go to flat command, flat the all corner. First select multi, select radius 0.35 press enter. Now select polyline, again select polyline, again select polyline, press enter. Now go to draw toolbar, draw a circle, diameter of 4, press enter. Now go to modeling toolbar, select a sphere, draw a sphere, diameter of 1.95. You also draw diameter of 2, but I take tolerance 0.5 mm. Now go to object isolation, hide object, select, press enter because now it is not required. Now go to 3D view, select rotate command. I need to rotate this circle about x-axis, red is x, in 90 degree. I put 90, press enter. Now again go to top view. Now fit your, now again go to draw toolbar, select polyline, draw an average distance as 4, approx 4. Now select, now go to revolve tool, select this object not as a circle, press enter. Now you want to specify axis about which it rotate. I select object and now select this object, press enter. Now go to conceptual mode, look at this. Now I also hide these extra object which not require any editing. Hide this object. Now go to extrude command, select circle, press enter, extrude it at any length. No, it is not, but greater than the thickness of this hollow shell. So I again select extrude, select this, press enter. Now extrude it at length sufficient. Now go to polar array, select this object, press enter. Now select axis of rotation, first point, put number of items 8, press enter. Now go to subtract command. I want to subtract these smalls hollow cylinder from these, so I select for this, press enter. Now select subtract object 8 total. Now press enter. Now look it, your subtraction is completed. Press enter. Now go to AND object isolation. Press enter. Now again go to polar array. Now this time select this sphere, press enter. Now select axis of rotation. Be careful about point. Now press enter. Now edit number of item at, press enter. Now our object is ready, but I explain why I take tolerance. To first select this and hide object. Now look at it. These sphere not touch these two surface. If the surface then rubbing, so I for better designing take 0.5 mm tolerance. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to more video on AutoCAD, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.